Hi everyone, welcome to the brilliant little backyard. Winter time, grapevine need to be pruned. We'll take these away, take some cuts of them to grow new grapes. Now I'll prepare the cuttings. I'll take around 15 centimeter tall cuttings and approximately 2 nodes in each cutting. And then I will take the skin from the bottom of the cutting to dip it on in the rooting mix. In previous video I made step-by-step instructions on how to make rooting mix from home ingredients available in our pantries. So take a little bit of skin, dip the cutting into the rooting mix and then stick it in the soil. I'll do this for all the cuttings. Please check out that video. It's very easy to make and very effective rooting mix. Now after doing all the cuttings, I will water well and I will keep the soil moist all the time until the growth start happening. Now we can see after 6 weeks the cuttings start growing new leaves. It's around 10 centimeter growth, and now in 8 weeks we can see the growth happening much faster and new shoots start happening too. Now in 10 weeks the cuttings ready to be removed from this pot and planted separately in different pots. And you can see now how much roots happened, and that's because that rooting mix I used, it was really good. I tried it in many other cuttings and they all done really well, and you can see the amount of roots on these cuttings in just only 3 months. So now to repot, I will fill up the pot half full with good soil. Then I will set the roots of the cutting on top, and I will top up the soil to fill the pot completely, and then I will water to keep the soil moist but not too wet. I don't want to cause stress to the roots at this stage, so just enough water to keep the soil moist. And I will do the same for all the other cuttings, to do them separately in different pots. You can see now they all separated and they will grow to become mature plant in 2 years. Now I grown other cuts in different pots. I put in some pots 4 or 5 cuts, in some small pots 1. This pot has got 5 cuttings and they all doing really well. And I will separate them soon. Even in small pot, all the cuttings growing well. As you can see, 100% success rate when you use the homemade rooting mix. The previous video was step by step how to make rooting mix. It's easy and all the ingredients available in our pantry. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.